super common issue on these Honda Ruckuses. When you pull all your bolts out of your air cleaner, pull the top off, your air filter sits there. See this little square? This is where the air filter sits. When you pull it out of there, it needs to be right in there perfectly. It's really easy to put it on wrong. So it's like this. See, that's not in its little gasket surface. It needs to lift up and put there. I see this very, very often. Same there, put in wrong. And it's not sealing, so you're getting air blown past the air filter. It's not going through the air filter. This is a problem because if you have too much airflow not going through the filter, it's going to change the air-fuel mixture of your machine. And symptoms of that would be at high RPM, you're bogging. See, that's in wrong. This is in correctly, just like this. See, it fits perfectly around there. If you run into the problem where it's been put in wrong, you're probably going to have bent plastic. You can heat this up with a heat gun or some heat and bend it back. Super, super common problem. So when you install your filter, put it on, make sure it's in there real nice and easy. It's not off, and then just push it into place. Just like that. You'll notice too, everything is lined up. I'm not needing to get any extra pressure. That's the pro tip. I see this all the time.